What was our topic? Mm, Operations on series object 2. So I hope that these many things we discussed it. Now it is the time to see to go for another kind of operations. Hmm? User, sir, I want to join your class when the class will be started. What is that? I want to join your class when the class will be started. Hmm? Python class. New batch. Which new batch? NumPy Pandas or Python? NumPy Pandas or Python? Python. Already completed Python now from other batch. Already completed Python from other batch now. Why you want to join again Python? Hmm? User. Why you want to join Python again? Because of the subject of your class. Okay. Right. So let me move to the further. So Aniket is asking Django DSA is asking. He is asking about Python only. You are asking about DSA and Django. Okay. Let us move to the further. So I'll go to statistical operations on series. So statistical operations, we go for this. These are very simple. I'll be giving some questionnaire and you need to sort it out. Okay. So very less today. వీకెండా ఏం సాధించారని వీకెండ్కి వెళ్తారా మీరు అండర్ గ్రౌండ్ వాట్ యూ గాట్ ఇట్ ఇన్ దిస్ వీక్ డేస్ యూ వెంట్ టు అండర్ గ్రౌండ్ జస్ట్ థింక్ అబౌట్ ఇట్ ఓకే లెట్ ఇట్ బి తివారీ సార్ వన్ క్వశ్చన్ sir, Tableau is related to Python. Tableau is also one data visualization tool. You will come across in data science. Tableau will be coming. Tableau. Tableau is also one of the data visualization tool. So that is very easy. This is very, very easy. Tableau is very easy. See, everything is easy once teacher explains properly. Okay. There is only one thing you have to remember it. Okay. So let me move to the further. Okay. Let us start with the statistical operations here. So all these things one by one I'll show. These are very simple, not at all a big difficult. So now I'm entering to further. So students, let us concentrate on the subject. Who went to weekend, we don't bother about it. Who are all there in the class, try to understand. Where they went, not necessary to bother about it. Muhammad Nadim, you need to read the notes very well so that you can do everything. If you don't read the notes, if you ask the same doubt again and again, there is no meaning of it. NumPy, already explained. You read properly, you can answer everything. Okay. Or at the end of the class, you can ask that. Now let me move to the further. So let's go to this place. So here I will go for which operations? Statistical operations. So pandas here, statistical operations. So here, statistical operations I will take. So create some all these kind of things I'm going to do. Some of the operations will be done on numerical operations. Some of them will be done on what? Statistical operations. All of them, which is listed here, these are all going to be done on numerical values. Which values? Numerical values we are going to do it. So let me create one type of series here. Let's create a series. Series of values I want to create. Import. So I'll go to import pandas as PD. So create one series students PD dot series of, I'm going to take some values 10 to 10 comma 2 comma 15 something like 3 comma some 4 comma some 15 something like some 8 something like 9 something like 11 like this I'm having print of what content of s content of S. Today is very simple. Print of S, print of S, one type of S, type of S. So this is the content what we are having it. This is a content what we are having it. Now I will go to what? Finding the sum. So finding the sum of all the elements. I will apply what? Sum. So find all the elements of series. So I'm going to write it immediately the question here. Finding the sum of all the elements of which one? Series. So how do you find? So series sum is equal to S dot what? Sum of. So I'm writing here sum is equal to comma what? SS. So you are going to get all the values as what? 62 we got it. So this instead of this type and all those things, if you remove, sum is equal to, you are getting, what is the sum? 62 you got it. Total elements, if you add it, you will get what? 62. Okay now? Right. Like that, I'll speed up and try to follow it. Next, I will go to one more kind of operation. I will do it. What is the next operation? Count. Number of values. Finding the number of values in the series. Here, finding the number of values in series by using which function? Count of. Count of. Earlier one by using what? Sum function. All these things you need to remember, students. So go to by using count. So number of values is equal to s dot what? Count of. So here I am writing it. Number of values. Number of values in series object. Series object is equal to what? NV. NV, comma. So I'm going to get the number of values are how many? 8. Are you getting me? 8. Next, students, one small point I want to ask you. So try to take care. Here I am writing ma np dot or pd dot na. pd dot na. Please tell me, count will count what values? Come on. Non, nan values. Non, nan values. Non, none values. Non, no values. So how many values will be coming? How many values will come? 8. Totally how many are there? 9. So totally 9. So what is the value available? Totally 9 are there. But number of values in the object is like this. Number of non hmm, nan values is equal to. It is called how many? 8. Now I am asking one question. How to print the number of null number of non-values? Number of nan values is equal to. Come on. S dot is na dot sum of. This is already explained in the last class. Number of nan values is equal to 1. 1 అనేది ఉంది already అలా. So I want to get new, something new. Another way I want to get it. Any other way you want to say? Any other way you want to say? Number of nan values is equal to what I'm going to write it? S dot is అది కాకుండా S dot size. And is null dot sum also, it is one way that I'm appreciating. S dot size minus S dot count of. These are all the ways and means you need to know, students. So also one. Okay na? So as you set that value called null. What is another way? Another way, S dot is null dot sum of. So this is also another way. Good. Nice. Keep it up. So these functions you try to remember. All the functions which I am explaining, write it in one formula book. Every day if you remember the formula by learning concept, it is only when you go to an interview, you can crack interview like anything. So let us move to the further. Entering into the place. Entering into the place. Next I'm going to enter into the next one. What is that next? Max and min. So I'm going to carry the same data. Carry the same data. finding the max and min values. Finding the max and min values. So there I'm going to take it. In this case, finding the max and min values from which object? Series object. Series object. What is the function name? Max of min of. Come on, quickly. Max value is equal to, come on, fast. S dot max of. S dot max of. Next, min value. What is the next? Min value is equal to S dot min of. S dot min of. Am I getting max and min or not? Yes. Got it. Got it up? Right. Any other way? N largest. N largest of what? 1. N largest of 1. What is the smallest? అది చెప్తే ఇది చెప్పేస్తాను. So beginning only you need to tell. So you need to have all those things in the mind. That is what is the basic intention of all these things explaining. So here I am writing. So here I am writing max value is equal to max value is equal to, now I am writing s dot n largest of 1. N largest of 1. Min value is equal to what? N smallest. N smallest. N smallest of what? 1. N smallest of 1. So here also n smallest of 1, n smallest of cannot used largest with what object? Series object. So what is the problem? So print of s dot n largest of what? 1. N largest of 1. So you are going to get it. Cannot use method n largest with D type object. What is the D type object I am using here? S dot n largest. N largest object is there in where? So you are going to get it. This is the value you are getting. So n largest is going to give you, when the pd dot na is there, it is not going to take that value. So you need to take that value like this. N smallest also I will take it. So let us carry this data once. So here you carry this n smallest and then avoid this type of pd dot na. pd dot na you avoid it and try to do it. So you are getting what? Maximum value you are getting, as well as what? Min value also you are getting here. And so you are getting the significance of both of them. Next, I will go to one more kind of discussion. What is the next? Mean. Mean I want to go for finding it. So mean values I want to take it. Students, try to get this kind of things, mom. So I'll take it. Some data you take it. So take some small data. Okay, let it be. Keep it as this. For your counting purpose, you want to take it. Some 2 comma 3 comma 1 comma 5 comma some 6 comma some 7 if you want to take. Finding the mean of finding the mean for the values of what? Series object. Function name is, come on, mean of. These are all easy. Now come on to the point. Mean is equal to s dot mean of. So print of what? Mean is equal to m. So you will write it. Already you know what will be the significance of using mean. Average if you want to find 4.0. If you add all of them, you will be getting as what? Mean value like this. So if you say content of this, if you say here d type is equal to what? Float. If you say this value is going to be coming in the form of 4.0. Are you okay? Right, done. Go to the median. Go to the median also I want to find out. Statistical operations. Median also I want to find out. What is the median says, ma? What is the median says? Come on, fast. Don't take much time. Median. Already explained this kind of concept for you. Median of. So I'm going to take it. This is the data. Median of, I'm going to take it. Median of. So here I'm going to take it. Median is equal to. Sort the data in ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So this one 3 plus 5 by 2. Right? What is the answer? 4. So 4 is 4.0 or 4 is median. Very follow? Right. Let us go to next one. I'm going to apply called what? Median. And next is called what? Mode. So what is the meaning of mode I said? Frequency of the element. Highest frequency of the element. Highest frequency of the element. So content of S, finding the mode of mode for the values of series object. Function name is what? Mode. So there I am writing students mode of. So here I am going to write it. Sorry, I will go for what? Mode is equal to M. So here I am not going to get anything. There is no mode is coming. What is this now? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. All of them are coming only one time only. All the values are coming. Are you following me? So let me write like this. Mode is equal to. So you are going to get it all the values something like one time only available. For your understanding, I am going to write 5. 5 I am writing. So what is this 5? 5. So this is going to contain, mode is going to contain one series data, which is containing like this. Suppose I am going to write it one more time 2. One more time 2 students. What is coming? 2 is there. Next 5 is there. This entire thing is called what again? Series. Series of elements. Are you getting it? Right. Got it. So it is working like a mode as well as multi-mode also it is working. Following me? Yes. Online students, are you getting it? So let's go to the next one is called what? Variance. And next is called what? Standard deviation. Do you know variance formula? So I think I need not explain again the same thing again. So variance is equal to yesterday's class only. I said, and you are remembering, finding the variance for the values of the object, series object by using which function? Variance of. So come on here, s dot variance of. Already I said yesterday only, variance is equal to, formula I said already, variance is equal to, comma what? V I am writing, this is you take it as V. What is the variance? Mean of all these elements, mean of all these elements, and take them as what? Each element to be subtracted from the mean, squaring of all the elements by 2 you need to take it. I already explained now. Did you remember that? Same topic, same concept, everything same. You are going to get the variance here. What is the variance here? 5.6. I think you will calculate. Will you calculate? So formula is what? Yesterday only I said sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi minus m, where m is called mean by total number of observations. Xi. Xi means x1, x2, x3, x4, xy, and then x6. All of them will be by whole square you need to do. N times you need to do. By total number of observations you need to take it. So you'll get the answer called 52. So 5.6. So you after going to home, take a pen and paper and calculate. Okay, now already I calculated once in NumPy level. Go to standard deviation. Go to the standard deviation. So the variation will be expressed in terms of variance or in terms of what? Standard deviation. So standard deviation variance is coming in which distribution? Normal distribution. Normal distribution concept already I said. LOC is equal to 0. Scale is equal to, come on, 1.0. left side values, right side values, center bell curve concept is there. All those things syntaxes you have seen. So now I'm going to take it STD, STD, S is equal to standard deviation is equal to standard deviation is equal to, actually it is a form of what? SQRT of what? Yes. So it is going to be 5.6 on the other, 5.6 star star 0.5. 5.6 star star 0.5 is called this much is the result. 5.6 is called your variance, whose square root can be expressed. Go to the Python environment once and try to do it. So today's class is very easiest class. So 5.6 star star 0.5, which is going to be like this. Why 0.5? You know, in childhood days you learned it. 5.6 in my class, the square root. 5.6 wholes to the power of 1 by 2. So it is called 5.6 to the power of 0.5. 0.5 can be expressed by using double star operator. Double star operator is called exponentiation operator. So like that I am writing like this. Are you following? Or otherwise, import what? Math. Math dot what? SQRT of what? 5.6. 5.6 will give you the same answer. Are you okay? Right, done. So students, you are understanding the standard deviation. Next, very important, describe. Describe will give you, describe will give you the set of parameters. It will give you count information will come, count information will come, max information will come, min information will come, STD information will come, plus percentile, 25 percentile will come, 75 percentile will come, 50 percentile will come. This is the complete information will be given by what? Describe. This is for numerical values, ma. Numerical values. For string values is concerned, also describe will give you. Describe will give you. These are all up to so far whatever is explained, except the 10th one. The rest of them 1 to 9, 1 to 9, and 11 to 13 will work only on numerical columns. But 10th one will work on both numerical columns as well as str. So let me show you the describe function. Very easy. So that is called a descriptive statistics we can call. Spell out once. Descriptive statistics. So I'm going to use it. Let us carry out. I'm going to use it. Descriptive statistics. So find the descriptive statistics. Descriptive statistics. Descriptive statistics. Descriptive statistics for the values of series object by using describe, describe on numerical values. Of course, for the numerical values of this one. So I will write it here directly. I will write it descriptive statistics. So I'm going to say this entire information. You keep it something like that. Print of s dot describe, s dot describe. So descriptive statistics for the quick reference to the people. So what are the six? What are the six entries are there, right? Six entries are there. It is going to be mean. Already we have done mean. All these elements mean is what? 4.0. STD. Already you have seen to STD. After the dot, how many are coming? Six decimal places. Day one, percentage 0.5, 0.f. 0.f will give you by default how many? Six decimals. If you want more number of decimals, you know how to print it. If you want a less number of decimals also, you know how to print it. You know that? Yes. Next is called what? Min. Next is called what? Max. Next plus what is giving? 25 percentile, 50 percentile, and 75 percentile. That is not percentage. It is a percentile. If you want percentile, one day I will tell you the calculation. It's all mathematically related. I will tell you if you want percentile calculation. But by the time you need to know percentile calculation, as you know percentages, percentile calculation also might be knowing it. me move to the further. So in this mean, STD, how to calculate minimum value, in this maximum value, in that, and other things are going to be entered. So now I am going to enter into the further. So let us go to the percentages and percentile. Yesterday I was trying to tell something for you. And if you have any competitive exams, if you write it gate score, if you go to JE mains in intermediate, after intermediate, if you write for NITs and all, there will be measured in terms of percentile. So if you want, one day I'll tell you the difference between Venkata Srinivas, difference between percentage and percentile. One small mathematics awareness I will give you. There you will get it. So let me move to the further. Let me move to the further. This is for which one? Numerical values. Let me go to the same thing. I will go to the further. Students, here you try to follow. I am taking here something like RS, something like KN, something like DR, something like I am going to write it RS again. There I am writing again called what? JH. Like this I am going to write it. Like this I am going to write it. Some data. This is called what? List of names. Content of S. S dot describe. There you will not get this percentile, mean, median, max, min, etc. will not come. Count will come. Some extra will coming. Frequent, FREQ, there is a frequency, top, like that will come. Other attributes will come. These are the descriptive statistics points. Count, mean, STD, min, max, and other kind of thing. Totally, you are going to get 8 parameters in the descriptive statistics for numerical values. Here you see, you are going to get it. Total count is called what? 6. Same as previous like 6.0. Unique. How many are unique in that? 5 values are unique. And then top 6. Top RS. That is called what? Frequency called 2. Whichever is having 2 frequencies, 3 frequencies, that will be given as RS is frequently coming how many times? 2 times. These are the descriptive statistics for what? Strings. This is a descriptive statistics for what? Numerical values. Is it clear? Now, if I go to the descriptive statistics like this, I'm going to write RS one time only. So something like this, I'm writing SS. Here I'm writing no more duplicates are available. So you are going to get it only one. Which is this RS? First one. First one is coming RS is here. Earlier, what is coming? RS2. That is called what? 2 times the RS value is coming. Here, all of them are different. So total values are 6. Unique values are 6. Top value RS, there is a frequency is called 1. First value itself is going to be given. Is it clear? So what are the descriptive statistics parameters? At least here there are 4. Here there are 4. Earlier there are how many? 8. What is the common there? Count. So how many now? In the camera. So there 8, here 6. One common. So it is going to be called what? 12. 12, right? So there are, here I am going to have how many here? 4. There are how many? 8. One common. Totally called what? 8 plus 4 is called 12. One common element minus 1. It is called how many? 11. There are 11 are called descriptive statistics. They will ask you what are the descriptive statistics parameters. What is your answer? At least few of them. 6 anna చెప్పాలి. Count, mean, max, min, STD, 25 percentile, 50 percentile, 75 percentile, top, frequency, unique, 11, unique. Count anyhow, this is going to be the unique top of frequency. This will come for what? Descriptive statistics for strings. The earlier descriptive statistics for numerical values. Sometimes when you go to data frame level, you will come across numerical values will be there plus string values will be there. That time, both of them will be coming. In this case, I am going to write it. Something like this, I am going to write. Some values are available 10, 20, 30. Next is called what? 40, like this. 50, comma 60, like this I am having. Like this I am having one more 10. Like this I am having. Content of S. Descriptive, describe I am writing. By default, it is coming to describe for what? Strings it is giving. Strings it is giving. Now I am going to write it one parameter. What is that? Include. Include is equal to what? All. Include is equal to all. Include is equal to all. What is coming here? Also giving the functionality to whom? It is going to give you the functionality for whom? Strings only. Strings only. Why it is giving? Because everything is treated as which type? Come on. str type only it is treated. Are you following me? So now I am going to write it. D type is equal to D type is equal to what? Object, of course, it is available. When you go to the data frame type, there I am going to use this D type is equal to object I am writing. It is also going to give you the same discussion for what? Count only will be given. The same kind of descriptive statistics. Once again, I am showing when you go to where? Data frame. So data frame. In the data frame, you will get along with this 4, you will get what also? Numerical related values also will be coming. Suppose mean is there. Mean for strings is called what? Nothing is going to come. What will be coming? None will come or nan will come. Max value for string will come what? Nan or none will come. Whichever values is suitable, that type of parameter will be coming. Are you following me? So that describe include all without include all. In this case, it is taken as which type? String type. So here you have to understand two things in this. One is description for descriptive statistics for numerical values, descriptive statistics for string. To get both of them, we will apply include all. Include all. You remember that kind of syntax. In further, when I go to the data frame, I will be saying once again to you what will be that total parameters once in a time it will be coming. Are you following? So this points I'll be describe function is coming. Remember that once again it will come over there. Next I will go for what? Aggregation I am going to take. Aggregation. What is the meaning of aggregation? Summarizing all of them. Sum, max, min, count, everything. So I will take the numerical values here. Let's consider the numerical values here. Take this numerical values once. This numerical values I will go for it. So this numerical values I will take it. Aggregation function I am going to apply. Finding the aggregation for finding the aggregation aggregation for aggregation for the values of which object? Series object. For the values of series object. So I'm going to write it, students. So here I'm going to take this entire thing. Series object dot aggregation of what is this? Sum. All these things you need to write. Come on, how do you write it? So here I'm writing print of one first s dot agg of. This is called my function name. This is called my function name. Inside of it, I need to write. Come on, what should I write? Sum I want. Next I want what? Max I want. Just function names. These are all called min. Next is called count of. Anything else? Mean of. Mean of. I will write it. This is called mean of. Next is called what? Median of. Median of. Like that. You go for taking this entire thing. You see here, sum of all these elements. What is that? 14, 24. Max of those elements, 7. Min of all those elements. Counting of all those elements, 6. Mean of all those elements. So next median of all those elements is 4. Like that you can go for it. You can go to what you know. Here I can write it. Variance I can write it. Variance I can write it. Next is called what you know. STD I can write it. STD also I can write it. So here you are getting variance also. Here you are getting what? STD also. Is it clear? So this is called which function? Aggregate function. Very, very important. Very, very important. Are you following? Right. Aggregation meaning is summarizing of all the values at one glance is called aggregation. Right. Next, another one is product. Product of finding the product of numerical values. So carry these values now. Carry these values. Find the product. Find the product for the numerical values. That is simply finding the product of product of numerical values of product for the numerical values of this one. What is the function name? Here I will go for which function? AGG function. AGG function. Very, very important. So this is which function? Product of. Product of. So these are all S dot product. So product is equal to comma S dot product of. Already we done this is called something like a these are all the elements product. These are all the elements product. If you want to reduce it to see some easy one for you, it is going to be 2 into 3 into 1 into 5. It is called what? 30. Are you following? Next. Next is called what? Cumulative product. Do you know cumulative product? Yes. Cumulative product. So take that cumulative product I am taking. So I will take it. So coming to the point of it, Ramakant, how to calculate standard error? Standard error. Already, I think one day we got an error in the standard deviation. One error I got it. Did you remember that? Standard deviation error when we got it. During what? Linear linear equations solving. Standard deviation error. Of course, I am not going to enter into statistics part here. I am not entering into statistics part. Otherwise, variance error, standard deviation error, these are all going to be available in the statistics level. As far as this is concerned, we are entering into the formula based and the calculation based. Ramakant, I hope you understood. So S dot what here? Finding the cumulative product of this one. Function name is CUMPROD. CUMPROD. So cumulative product is equal to CUMPROD here. Right. So what is the cumulative product? You got it, I think so. This is called a 2315. What is this now? 2, 6. Come on. 2 will be there. 2 into 3. Next is called what? 1 into 6 into 2. 6 ah. 6 or 12 ah? 12. Next 1 into 6 into 2. Next, what is this now? Come on. 1 into 6. 1 into 6. Of course. Correct. Correct. So 1 into 3 into 2. That is called what? 6. Correct. Correct. You are correct. So 5 into 1. So it is called 30. So it is going to be called 30. 30. Because I am thinking this is the data. So this is a cumulative product. Each previous value will be multiplied. So you are going to get it. I think cumulative product 0 to 2. Okay, let me bring into the new line so that you can understand. So instead of this one, close this, say print off. So try to run this. So you are getting it. As usual, 2 is coming. 2 into 3, 6. Next 1 into 2 into 3, it is a 6. And 5 into 1 into 3 into 2 into this. This is called what? 30. These are all called what? Cumulative product. So these functions are very useful. Try to remember these functions. So online students, these functions are clear. Almost all the functions are working on numerical values except which function? Describe function. Right? Now this completes which concept? Series data structure is completed. So on this series, we are going to discuss extension to that. That is called what? Data frame. Data frame is going to start on Monday class. So today I will go for some more question on that. On series object, what our student got one question. Written test question, he got it. So two written test questions, he got it for solving of that. I will open it. You need to write it. Open the notes, all of you. So today you need to write in the class. All of you online students, open it, all of you, and start writing. I'll open the question here. So let me open my question. Shall I show you the solution or you will solve it? Hmm? Right. So I will, all of you close your eyes once and then I will open my question. Because there is an answer also, I prepared it. That is the point. Hmm. Close. Is one eye is one eye, one student is closing one eye. Okay, no issue about it. I will open like this. Any of you cannot understand because I'm closing a small closed part. This is the question. Right up. I opened my question, but you cannot see that. Start fast. All the students in the online, write down. Open your things, open your notes, and then write down. Write down. Don't write wherever you like it. Okay, write down in the proper place. Is everybody writing? The last student talking and writing. Multitasking to the student is very danger. In multi-threading, I said, what is the answer? Race condition will come. Deadlock situation will come. Multi-threading lo చెప్పాను కదా. Those who completed multi-threading, they know race condition. Venkatesh Srinivas, write down. Simply, I can send this without making you to write. I can send simply question and answer in the form of solution. I can send, but I don't want to send it. At least you need to write in the class, at least. So taking screenshot, taking uh, what do you call, selfie, all those things you don't do it. If you write, you are the best. Otherwise, it is a problem. Okay, now start thinking. Start thinking about it. Easy or difficult now? Dead easy. Very easy. Let me go to the problem solving this one. So let us take this data. Let us take this data. Completed, ba? Now, look at all of you. Go to this place. Next, I'm going to enter into the new notebook. I'll go to this place. So first, I will put this question as this, ma. I'll put this question here. Look at these questions, ma, all of you. See that. So here I'm going to listen now. Don't speak. Don't give mosquito sound in the class. You're irritating that sound. Doubt is there. Straightforward stand up and then say, I don't mind for it. So here I'm going to take up. This is the data what you are having. This is the data what you are having. So create a series object, create a series, create a raw data. This is find from the raw data below. Create a Pandas series. Do you know how to create series for this? Yes. Now I will go forward. Print all the elements in lowercase. Print all the elements in uppercase. Print all the elements in length of all elements. So you need to go for it. Do you know how to do it, students? Yes. So how to do it? We are going to do it here. So let us go for taking this data here. So now I'm going to create how to go for this. So this is a question. Create a series object. Create a Yes. Now I'm going to create a series object. How do you create series object? Import pandas as pd. Import numpy as np. Why numpy as np required? Because there is a nan. There is a nan is required. Okay. Come on, more. S is equal to np dot pd dot series of I will take this data. So how do you take this data? If at all you want, instead of typing this entire thing, I'll simply say it as what? LST is equal to open that and then close it. I will write it what ma? Yes, simply I will write LST. Happy. So this is going to be the list data. I'm going to write it content of S. Content of S. Print of S I'm going to take it. Print of S I'm going to write it. So this is my data. If at all you want to print from this data, if you want to print this data like this, you can print it. So this is the data we got it. Suppose if you are not interested in taking this indices, for example, what you will do simply, you can say for loop you can use it. For loop you can use it. You know that. So here I will write it. Content of this one. For value in where? Yes. For value in S. Dot format of what? Value. Like this, you can go straight forward. This is also like this. Okay, now? So first question. First question is like this. What is the first question? Print all the elements in lowercase. Print all the elements in lowercase. So print all the elements of series. In which case? Lowercase. Okay. Get your data. So when you are going to solve such questions, try to print all of them in this way. Print, take the given input, try to print the given input as it is like that. Now you need to put your answer. So answer. Then how to do the elements. Elements in elements of values of S. In which case? Lowercase. This is the way you need to take up. So how do you do, mom? I'm going to take up this entire thing. How to do that value in the lowercase? That is a very, very important discussion here. I simply go for it. Multiple ways are there to do it. Comprehension concept I can use. Come on. Yes. Come on. Now, series in which case? Uppercase. Uppercase series data is equal to is e lowercase. Okay. Lowercase is equal to. Tell me. I forget. I will write like this. Hmm. Come on. Come on. So this I am going to write it as I already said to you for value in S. For value in S. For value in S will give you what data? First value. Who is that? Amit. Amit, A is in capital. So I need to write it what? Value dot lower of. Value dot what? Lower of. What is the type of value? STR. STR dot lower of, upper of 22, 21 functions I said already. When you are in second class of school. Now you are in BTech third year. Right? So that time only I said to you. So this is going to give you which data? Lowercase data. Lowercase data it is going to give you. So now I'm going to say print of what? Lowercase. If at all you want to see them in where? Series. If you want to see them in series, what I will simply say, what is this you want to see? PD dot series of. PD dot what? Series of. Like this I can write it. So I will write simply called what, mom? lowercase series. So I will write like this. So this is the one I wrote it. This is the data what I have. So execute it. So I'm getting everything in where? What is happening? Float object has no called what? Lower. So how do you write it? So I will write it. I will write one small condition here. This is going to be known as what? np.nan. np.nan is there. np.nan is there. Value dot lower. It is going to give you. Come on. What I will write it? I will write this data in this place. Here you are having nan. I need to get it into lowercase. How do I get it in lowercase here? We applied it. Just 1 minute, you just remove this and try to look at once and see this data once. So here also you are getting float object has no attribute called lower of. What you will do now? If, what is the condition you will write? If value, value is, is no, is no. I will write what? Not. I will write something like this. So you are going to get it. Str object has no value called like this. So I will write it. 1 minute. Series value is coming. First 1 minute you think about it. So I will go for taking this data into np.nan and all those things. 1 minute student. 1 minute student. I will take this into this way. Just a minute you observe it. So you are going to get it. np.nan is take it as this. Here I am going to write it. If value not equal to np dot what? Nan. np dot nan. So you are going to get it. In this case, all of them are coming or not? This is called a given data. Are you seeing? This is called a given data. What is this is called? Other than, come on, other than this case. So if you want, you can write it. Now, what you can write it? PD dot series of, PD dot what? Series of, like this. You can print it. So you can print this data. So you are going to get it. Values of s in lowercase. Which one is not there? Nan is not there. Because I wrote the condition or not? I wrote the condition. Is it clear? Right. This is called one thing. Write down. Answer you write down. Or first one and answer you write down. And first bit. First bit you write. Write the first answer. This one. Write the answers. A and S. First bit A. You write that. Here you take this. You take this. First bit. You write this answer. Quickly. I can post it. But at least you put your pen and paper. Quickly. Fast. Hmm? What is that? Okay. Don't try to act. Okay. Try to write something. If you act, sorry is not giving any fees for acting. No remuneration for acting. Try to write it. సినిమాలలో అయితే యాక్టింగ్ కు ఫీజు ఇస్తారు. ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఉండదు. యూ ట్రై టు బి రైట్ డౌన్. SK, Mr. SK. So that I will explain. String related functions with a data frame, string related functions with a series, I'll explain. So all the string functions of Python applicable as it is into series level. We are going to see that. Okay. So first, now I'll go for which one next? Uppercase. Same kind of code. What is the thing I need to take? Upper of I will take it. So just for B, you write it. Only this line you write it. For B point, there is a question called B. You write the question called B. Only you write that sentence. I will do it. I will send this entire answers for you. Now I will go to this place. So I will take it here, get it into uppercase B. This is called B. So there I will take it values in uppercase, values in uppercase. What I will write here? Upper of. This in my regular classes, I used to tell without using upper of, lower of also. Did you remember that? With the Unicode value manipulations, I said plus 32, minus 32, 32 or 36, 32 only, 32 only. So ORD, CHR, all those things I said. If you remember that, this is very simple today. Upper of and uppercase data, uppercase data. So this will be getting it. All of them are what? Uppercase. This is a given data. This is called what? Uppercase data. We got it. Okay. Doubt? Uh, ma? Can we use well dot D type is equal to already explained now. Already explained now. Here only in functions only comparison of D type in functions only explained in our Python only. We can use it. Type of value is equal to what is the type of value next? This one also str. All of them are str only now here. All of them are str only now. This is called float. Is equal to str you can use. This is called which type? Float type. You can use it. There are so many ways. Already we taught that mechanism in where? In our regular Python only. Functions with the typecasting comparisons. Is equal to complex, is equal to float, is equal to int, float, list, D type. 13 comparisons of data types also done. Right? You can do. So that is converting into which case? Uppercase. Next one more. What is the next one more? Go to one more. What is that? Length. Length of all. Length of all elements. Length of all elements. Do it. Do it. All of you do it. How to do the elements? How to do the elements? Now I need to go for it. How to do the elements? Each and every element I want to print it. I will carry this. Up to here I will carry. Come on. Get it. Content. Amit, how many letters? Bob, how many letters? A, how many letters? B, how many letters? This I don't want to include. Other things I want to go for it. Come on. Hmm? There are multiple ways are there. How do you do it? dictionary comprehension I will use it. Which one I will use? Dict comprehension I will use. D is equal to, that is called what? Word length is equal to, I'll use it like this. So try to follow. Come on. For value or for word in where? Yes, if condition, which I wrote it here, value dot equal to, this one I will write it. This one I will take it. This part I will take it. This part is as usual. NP dot like this. This is a part coming to this place. Already this is if statement. It is going to come here. What I should do? Word colon ln of what? A word. This is called which concept? Dict comprehension. Print of what? Word len. Word len. If you say Amit 4, Bob 3, got A, B, NP dot nan, this 6, all these things is coming. So value. So this is called what? Word. Word I am going to take it. So you are going to get it that word was removed. Value was previous one. How to print the data? As you know already. Come on. For word, what is this now? Length in where? Word len. Word len. Print of here backslash t. Here I will write it. Length also. Dot format of word comma length I will write it. Word comma length. So what happens? Dot items. Even if you write like that, you can write it. Word ln of, word ln of, like this I can write it. Like this I can write it. Like this I can write it. Are you following me? Yes. So what is that happening? Word len is called what? For this now. This you remove. This you remove that time. So that time you need to write what? Word. You need to write word. Word you write it. So you are going to get it. Amit, Bob, etc. You can also get this as what? Dot what? Get off. You can get like this. You can get off like this. Like this also you are going to get it. Already there is a dictionary now. Already there is a dictionary now. Already there is a dictionary. So next is called what? Dot length. That time I will go for what? Length. Length. You are going to get this way also. What is this now? Items. Dot what? Items. Dot items of. Like this you will get it. This is one way, one story. Another story is what? As you know already, once there is a dictionary, you can convert into what? Series. Series contains what? Keys becomes what? Indices. Indices. That time I will go to, what is this now? Word series is equal to, word series is equal to, come on, PD dot series of word len. Word len. Print of what? Words series. Words series. So you are getting that also. Already done. Once one question is there, more ways. Because I made like that. Regular dialogue. Once you have very good hairstyle, you can comb any direction. No hair at all, ring road bypass road like you. This is a regular dialogue of mine. Today is no love. It's a old story only. Okay, now? Clear? This way you can go all the way. Our Python story, our conversion into what series, all these things is done. Right? This solution you write it for that. Under the answer C, you write down. So written, written. Okay. Online students, are you comfortable with this? So already done. So coming to this point, here I'm going to write it. So now I will move to the further. Now I will move to the further. This is called one of the question. Is it clear? Let me go to the next question. Another question I'm going to take it. Let me go to the next question. You cannot see the question. Confidential question. Another question is there. Come on, go. So there I'm going to write it. So 6.2, 6.2 from the raw data table below. Write down this question. Manisha, your hairstyle is also good, sir. See, ma. Instead of commenting on my hairstyle, I'm commenting on your hairstyle. Please follow me. Subject నేర్చుకోండి. You will learn subject. That to your girl, you are commenting. You are commenting on teacher hairstyle. So please maintain your what you can say. Please go to that. Learn the subject. Okay, ma? Right. Basically, I'll go for okay, ma. Right. Next life, you may born like a boy. That time, you go like that. Okay, now? Boys, Raskwan. Even if you get 45, 40 above, you will be also ring road, bypass road only. There is no doubt in that. Already some students are having already ring road started. So take care because 29 years onwards, I'm taking my classes. Always lot of pressure, lot of things will be there. So instead of I'm comment hairstyle in the sense not regular hairstyle. I'm talking about subject is the hairstyle. Once you know subject, that is a good hairstyle. Right down. First write down that. So whatever it is, continue, ma. Mm. Do it. రాయి ఫస్ట్ రాయను ఎప్పుడు లేజీగా ఉండకూడదు కొత్తగా తూ 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 రాయకండి నేను మళ్ళీ వెరిఫై చేస్తాను ఈ నోట్స్ ఇప్పుడు రాయి మళ్ళీ రాయి కరెక్ట్గా శరత్ సార్ టుడే సాటర్డే సే సమ్ స్టోరీ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ యూ నీడ్ టు హ్యావ్ సమ్ స్మాల్ లైఫ్ desire on your life first of all. So go to subject learning. Already you learned lot of stories in your BTech. Almost you are out of order. Try to learn something in the class. Something must be there. Okay. So how do you do this one? So we will use which function we will use? Left and right. Left hand print all the elements, stripping spaces from left. So first of all, you need to see the data you see. Don't write like this. So AT Atul, like this you are writing. Don't write like this. And are you seeing the space before? That space is required. It is like this you need to write. It is like this you need to write. This is a space in the left side. Next is called John. Did you see that? JOHN. Right side there is some space. మీరు అది రాయలేదు అది because I know that you are all called like a Duryodhana in Mahabharatam, like you are not a clever student. And a jock is there. Jock is there before and after. Jock is there before and after. Next is Sham. There is no space in the before and after. But you wrote everything in the single code only without spaces, correct? No. Because I know మీకు ఏం తెలుసో నాకు తెలుసు ఆల్రెడీ. So print all the elements after stripping the spaces from left to right. Left only, right only. First function is what? Strip off. Strip off. Next is called what? L strip off. L strip off. L strip off. Next is called what? R strip off. or strip off. These are the things. So I will take this data as it is, go to the place. This problem I will take it as it is into this place. I will solve it. So let's go to this place. How do you solve it? Let's go to the same discussion. Here I will take, start with. So I will go to this entire data I will take in the form of what? List. So directly you say S is equal to PD dot series of. Okay, take it as a list like this. You take data like this. Next say what? LST. LST. Print of what? Content of S. Content of S. Now you are going to take it. I'm going to show you like this. For value in S, for value in S, I'm going to say print of with the spaces. What will be happening? Backslash T, and I'm going to print its length. Dot format of what? Value comma len of value. Len of value. So I'm going to take a print of like this. So print of like this I'm going to say. So it is going to take it. So where is it? Bracket dot format of this one. Close the bracket. This is the data we are getting it. So Atul is actually 4, but before that one space is there or not? So John is also having some 4, but 5. The Jock before that one space, after that one space, that is 6. Sam, there is no space at all. This is called a content of raw data of that kind of thing. What I will do now, I will apply. What is my next first bit? Come on, I will apply this kind of mechanism. So here I'm going to take it. What I will do simply, come on, I'll go for this same data. Come on, say, here I will write it, dot strip off, dot strip off. I will apply. Len of what? Dot strip off I am going to apply. Dot strip off, strip. So if you look at that, if you look at that, you are going to get it. Earlier you are having how many? 5, 5, 6, 3. So is it eliminated or not? 5, 4, 4, 4, and then 3. So no spaces are there. Here John, you see, John, there is a space here, and then before also some spacing. Jock also some spacing is there. So you need to apply called what? Strip function I applied. Next, I will go to the next one. What is the next one I am going to apply? L strip related activity. So go to the place. Here I am going to get it. There is a, what is the next bit here? Removing the like this. Left side only I want to remove. What are the left side activity we are having here? So there we are having print all the elements after removing the spaces from left only. So left spaces are what? Atul is 1 and Jock is 1. Right is also there for Jock, but left side I want to remove it. Here Jock is having 6, but this side value getting removed, Atul value also removed. So here 5 and then what? 6 is getting removing. So let's apply. Here I will apply. This is the data. Already this was the data available. L strip applied. Now you apply here called, come on, L strip off. L strip off. I will write it. Value dot L strip off. I'm going to write it. So that will give you the original answer. Earlier original answers are 5, 5. This is no problem because we are having right side only. This is 5. So here we are having 4 and this was earlier called what? 6 is there, that is eliminated. 5 is printing. This is about L strip. Right strip is available here. Let's go to the R strip also. Instead of this, carry this. R strip I will take it. R strip. So I will take right side strip. So here I will take the third one. So R strip kind of value I will take it. R strip value I will write it. So here also R strip I am writing here. Let's execute. So here we are going to get it. Atul is as usual, left side is available. John, earlier it was 5. Right side it is eliminated, is 4. And Jock was having a left side is there, right side is there. Right side value removed or not? Yes, this Sam is remaining same thing. Is it clear? Right. This L strip related kind of thing. Now students, I am giving, this is called one more kind of thing. Now I will give you one more exercise things that you can do it. I hope so. Now I'm going to show you that kind of thing. Of course, there is the answers also I provided. Go to the same place. There I'm going to get it. Pandas. There is a data frame under that notes. I'm going to show you. Go back to this where it is series. I hope so. Yeah, series questions you try to see. See, students, all of you, some data is available that is very simple for you. Given the following series, don't see the this kind of thing you don't see. Write a command to create the above series and double the value in series and store the another series named as series 2. Don't see this output. Actually, ఈ output మళ్ళీ నేను separate రాయకుండా ఇక్కడే రాస్తాను. This series you need to create. You need to double the series value. What is the doubling? 200, 400, 600, 800, and then what? 1000. So that you need to write the series command for it. Okay, already it is written. ఇక్కడ నేను రాశాను already. What is this now? Series star 2. Vector based operation will be performed or not? Yes. Next example. Student. State whether true or false. A series object size is mutable. Come on. Huh? False. Series is a mutable or immutable? Mutable. So is it true or false? Aim student. Series object is mutable or immutable? Mutable. So data frame object value is mutable. Data frame I did not cover. Don't worry about it. Next, consider a given series 1 and series 2. This is series 1 and series 2. Write a Python program, Pandas, to create series and display it. And display it. I will create the series for it. I will create the series for it. I want to display both of them. Are you following me? So let us see this example and try to take it. I will create, this is series value. This is a series values. These series values, what I want? 200, 201, 202, 203, 204. What is this is called? Index. How to give your own index? I said. What is the value here? Only single value. How many indices? How many times? 5. Here you see. Series, pd dot series, value called. So index is equal to range of what? 200 comma 205, which is going to give you 200 to 204. You can also write a comprehension for how many times? 5 times. You can write it. Already we know. Next, one more thing. Consider the following series. Don't see these answers and see here. IP, physics, chemistry, maths. Write a Python syntax which will display only IP. I said you already how to display label accessing, index accessing. So multiple 6 varieties of accessing mechanisms I said. So take care. Already I said to you, write a Python syntax to increase the marks of all subjects by what? 10. How to increase? Just now I did L strip, par strip, how I changed it? You need to increase the value of by everything by 10%. How to do it? You need to take care. Here already there is a question. Vector based operation is there. Your programmatic operation is available. Next, beautiful questions. Consider the following SQTR. So these are all called what? Quarterly 1, quarterly 2, quarterly 3, quarterly 4, quarterly 5. Write a Python program in Pandas to create a display the series. What these are all called? List of values. These are all called what? Indices. Indices. QTR1, QTR2, QTR3. ID1, ID2, ID3. Name 1, name 2, name 3. Comprehension concept. Follow? Yes. Next, see what will be the output produced by the following programming statements 1 and 2. Import pandas as PD. PD dot series data is equal to 31, 41, 51. S1 greater than 40. S1 greater than 40. S1 of S1 greater than 40. Of course, relational operators I did not tell you. And of course, it is easy for you to get it. These statements, you will easily answer it when you go to what? When you go to the data frame. Data frame, I am going to say how to find the duplicates, removing duplicates, all of them. If you want, చూసుకోండి ఇక్కడ S1 greater than 40. Boolean array will be coming. Vector based operation. 31 greater than 40. Already I said to you in where extract, where np dot extract to np dot where Boolean array is coming and passing the Boolean array to nd array object. ఇక్కడ కూడా అంతే. S1 greater than 40. 51 greater than 40. Come on, Muddu. Next 41 greater than 40. True. Next 51 greater than 40. So this is an output here. Are you seeing this output? Next S1 greater than, this is a statement. S1 of S1 greater than what? 40. First answer. S1 greater than 40. 31. True or the Muddu? Listen. 31 greater than 40. S1 of false. Which answer will not come? 31 will not come. Next 41 greater than 40. True. S1 of true. Come on. 41. Extract to where condition only. Next what? 51. 51 greater than 40. True. S of true. 50. So 41, 51 is an answer. Okay, Babu. Madhu Babu. Next, given two series S1 and S2. Given two series A, B, C, D. How do you know how to create it? Come on. Yes. Do you know how to create this data? Come on. Find the following pandas statement. S1. First, దీని గురించి చెప్పండి. Colon 2. S1 of colon 2. First of all, you will get what? Future version warning will come. Why? Once if I give my own indices, default indices are there, but that will give you future version. Colon 2 means what will come? 39, 41 will be coming. 40, 0, 1, 2, 3, 3. What is the answer will come? 39 and 41. Don't see the answer. మనం ఎప్పుడు ఆన్సర్లు చూస్తూ ఉంటాం. Come on, first one. What is the answer? 39 and multiplied with what? What is the answer? 390, 41 into 100. How much? Right. 3,900 and 4,100. Next, S1 star S2 multiplication. S1 star S2. Come on. A and A multiplied. B and B multiplied. C nowhere else. C with what? None. Very good. D with what? D. What is the D with? So that is called 410. 390. Nano. C. D 4. That is called 44 into. F. F is not there. What is the answer? None. Do you know this? Right. The questions you just you are walking here and there. Ask one data science student. Ask them, what are you doing in Ameripet? Data science. Open your book and ask this. So next, go to what? Next, S1, S2. Same. Write the command to find the multiplication of series of S1 and S2. A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. You know what will be the output of it. What will be the output of it? Answer also given or not? Yes. Next, consider the given series object. English, Hindi, Maths and Science. Write a Python program in Pandas to create this series. Can you create it? Easy. Next, consider the following series object. Company and its profit in crores. TCS, Reliance, L&T, Wipro. Write a command which will display the name of the company having profit more than 250. Profit more than 250 if I write it. This is called what? Profit. These are all called what? Indices. You know this? These are all called indices. This is the name called what? Yes. S of what I will write? S greater than what? 250. S greater than 250. First 350 greater than 250. True. S of true. What is an answer? TCS. Getting? Like that. 200. False. 800. LNT. 150. So this is an answer. TCS. And next is what? LNT. Easy. Yes. Boolean array. Next. ఇలా అన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. నెక్స్ట్ కన్సిడర్ ద టూ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్. ఏ is a list where B is a series, but both have same values. What will be the output of the statements considering above the two objects has been created? Print A of 2. A is a list. A is A is list where B is a series. Both of them are having the values called like this. A star 2 will give you repetition operator. Madhu, repetition operator like this. So here 10, 20, 30, comma 40 star 2 will give you the repetition operator. Already very old story this is. Beginning story. Python star 2. 2 times Python is coming. Madhu star 30. 30 times coming or not? Don't know this. Every day I will use. Series. Series of data into 2. Multiplication or not? Yes. So that is what the statement is asking. So go to the place here. Series value into what? B into 2. What is the B into 2? Every value will be multiplied by 2. Justify your answer. What is the justify vector based operations permitted? Vector based operations not permitted with list. Beginning story only. Do you know that? Next, question number 2. At a tail function, I did not explain. Tail function will come in data frame. Tail head. Yesterday I was used that word. I will get it. Tail means what? By default, tail and top. So నాకు as some student asked, okay, let it be. Head will give you what? First top, beginning 5 elements. Tail will give you bottom 5 values. Tail of 3 means gives bottom 3. Like n smallest of 3. N smallest of 3. N smallest of 3 will give you least 3. But tail 3 will give you last 3. Whether least, highest, no. If there are 1000 are there, 997, 998, 999, 1000 will be given by tail. Head of 3 will give you what? 1, 2, 3. You know that? Tail without parameter will give you last 5. Head of without parameter will give you first 5. Next, what will be the output of the following code? Import pandas as PD. S is equal to PD dot series 6 comma index 0 comma 5. What is that value? 6 only. But what is the range? What is the index? 0 to 4. All values are 6 or 7. 6. Output చూస్తున్నారు కదా? Don't say the output. Next, if series S1 is having the following data. See, series is having the following data. 1, 3, 5, 7 like this. These are all called what? Programmer defined indices or not? This is called which data? Series data. What would be the result of the command? S1 of 3 colon 6. 3 colon 6. Come on. 3 colon 6. 3, 4, 5. 3 and then 5. What will be the answer? 3 colon 6. Actually, this is the data. This is the data. This is called what? Range. This is the series data they are taking. This is the range 1 to 20. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 like this. This is called step 2 index. What will be the answer? 3 colon 6. Come on. What is an answer? 3. What is the 3 value coming? 7th index? No. So this is 3 and 6, 3, 9, 11. It is going to give you, once I will Take care, students. This answer I will take care once. 1 minute you follow me. This answer I will test it. Even also I'm also having doubt about it. Let me take up. Let me take up. This is called original data. S1 of 3 colon 6. 3 colon 6. So it is going to be, this is called S1. S1. So I'm going to get it. 7, 9, 11. Did you understand? Default index no more. Index they are giving 1 to 20. These are the values is coming. Index is equal to like this. It is going to take 3. What is the 3 is taking? 7th index is coming 5. Which is the 5? 7. Next 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. 7, 9, 11. 7, 9, 11. How it is coming? That is a question mark. Hmm? So here 7, 9, 11. Did you understand this? How? Huh? Default index. Is it taking default? So 1, 1, 0, 103. 3, 7, 4, 8. Okay. You keep that question for a minute. Keep that question out. And next see the question. Leave that. End him and then shape and length is okay. But I will address it. Nothing to bother about it. End him as well as what? Shape as well as. So np dot a range of these values. Are you following this? 10, 50 and then 10. How many values will be coming? 10. Step is how much? So what is the answer? 10, 20, 30, 40. 40. What will be the div? 1. Shape is 4. Length is 4 elements. Next, write a Python program to create a series having 10 random numbers in the range of 10 to 20. Randint. No, randint. Already done. So randint, randint. Need not to write this entire story here. Directly you write S is equal to np dot pd dot series of np dot random dot randint of. Already you know. Next, consider the following series 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, nano, 1, etc. Write a Python code to add 1 to all the elements. 1 to add the elements. 1 need to add to everything except which element? None. So we can write one condition or not? We can write one condition. I will add the elements except what? None. None. You can have the comparison. Today I was taken like that. Next, write a code to replace all none with 0. Already we said none values with 0. What is that? Fill value. Fill value. Add with fill value. Right. Next, predict the output of the following code. Import pandas as PD, numpy as this one, data. 1 colon A, 2 colon B, 3 colon C. Series. Yes. What is an answer? Dictionary in series. Keys are taken as labels and values. So answer is 1A to be like that. What is the size? 3. So S dot size attribute. Come on. Right. Next, create a series object S1 using sequence called 2468 with a default indices. How do you take it? Come on. S is equal to PD dot series of A range of 2 comma 9 comma 2. 2. Step 2. So you can do. So range of you can use. A range of you can use. Done. Like that I'm having. Write the following code fragment indices. So PD dot series. I am a student. S2. I am a student. One by one will be coming. String values. Next, like this. Questions based on Pandas series part 2. Like that I am having so many questions. Will you go through it? Will you solve it? Right. So Monday you will come back. I will directly give one question and I'll select the student and I'll check whether you are having that knowledge or not. See, a lot of questions are there, students. You try to do it. All these things are very important. So once you do it, you'll get a confidence. So I said today evening or tomorrow I will post it. I said today only I'm showing text. Okay now? Monday, what is our lecture? Data frame. Data frame. Don't miss it. Thank you. Carry on. Online. Any more doubts? I will share these questions, students. Don't worry about it. Now only I will share it. Try to go for it. Krishna, how to remove spaces without using predefined functions? Already you know. Already you know. Without using spaces, you need to use indexing and slicing. With indexing and slicing, you can do it. All the spaces you need to recognize and you need to write that. So, Muhammad Nadim, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 8. So, 698, how it is coming, that is a question mark. 754, how it is that, what is the logic followed that, that is an important. Once that logic is there, you can follow that incrementation or decrementation, you go for it. Study the data, study the output, what format they followed it, what will be the incrementation taken place. Then only you can follow. Then only you can get the data. First of all, you try to understand what is the logic followed inside. Logic in the sense, what is the pattern they followed it. When you go to the companies, they will give you the sample output with a explanation they will give. Then only you can give that type of things. So, S- Smoothie, when you are my Python batch, I already gave to you. When you are my Python student, already I gave to you. Already I gave you. Doubt about replacing nan value into 0. Already I said in the add function. Add function with replace. Fill value is equal to 0. I already said Ramesh. Add value already said. If you are my Python student, already I posted. If you are other Python batch student, ask your faculty. Bonu, no, Smoothie. If it is there, you check in our 6 p.m. is going on already completed. Smoothie, which is already completed. Check your Google Classroom once more. Check your Google Classroom once. set 1, set 2, etc. might be completed it. If it is not there, you let me know. Tomorrow I will post it. Muhammad Nadim, it is getting all corner values of matrix 3 comma 3 forward direction. You can get it. How to get the corner elements? In the advanced indexing, I already said. In the advanced slicing also I said. Muhammad Nadim, already I said you. Advanced slicing concept. All corner elements of 3 by 3 matrix I already said in the class. Advanced slicing. Okay, ma, not posted means I will check it. If it is not posted, I will post it. If it is not posted, I will post it. Like one day I posted in the 4 p.m. Na, like that I will post it. Right. Ramesh, I will check it out. Right. Already, Mohammed Nadim, already I was explained it. In advanced slicing, you search it. You'll get it. Thank you. All the best.